Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I'll show you how to make non-active windows get darkened automatically in Windows Computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Microsoft Store and just search for Focus Dimmer, and now you'll see here the application Focus Dimmer. Just click on it. Now click on Get to download and install it. So finally the installation has been completed. Now just click on this open. So now under the application settings, you will see here tons of options. So you can check out by yourself here. So now let me minimize it. Now you can see here, if I open a different window, so you can see the active window is only showing up and the rest non-active windows behind it are being darkened automatically, so you can clearly see. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily make non-active window get darkened automatically in Windows Computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.